Last time a foolishness they came on in my the shipment got low gain on my yacht. Make a man think short change in a brother.
But man, you have to cut down on certain things. It grow up.
So how much for this? How much for this?
Give me a 10. Give me 100k for this.
100k for what?
How are you?
Officer J, Neil. But just call me J, Officer J. So them things are there, so I go on with.
We are talk about.
You see any transaction not the right now? It a cut right, yes sir. As a matter of fact, here it's like how you have the... Hold on. 2 hours now. I go down at honest. Go be here. Whoa! It don't make no sense on the run. Come on, man. Come. It don't make no sense on the run, bad man. You're still a guard here.
I'm not gonna the uns go be here now, man.
Yeah?
Oh.
Who tell you that?
Yo, tune up and look at things them wanna feel like you can't. That with them police boy, yeah. That with them police boy.
What with them police boy?
Hold on. Gun and them thing there, yo.
Yeah, my youth.
Feel like you have more rights than we do.
Slap off my face.
Kick in your face.
Slap off my... Kick me in my face.
Then no must say a police boy.
Police, go from your son. Go from your son, man.
On a bad boy.
Alright. You're full of tough chat. Okay, so... You're not a bad man.
To your youth. Fuck man. I am police youth and you have your things armed to the youth, man.
Yeah, hold this.
What is what?
Hold the knife.
Oh, Terry, I beat him.
So you give...
You know where this. So you're not a bad man.
Then I must.
From day one.
Come in, man.
Slap off your face, man.
See what you gonna do now, police. What you gonna do now? You go on like you know butt too much.
Easy, no?
That me I tell you.
Look on the top.
Tell all you fish.
Wow! So let's say, ready now? Yep, man. So you know got ounce now?
Yeah, go be here.
Alright.
Yeah, hoes gonna be hoes. I'm rocking with my bros, yeah. Rapping for the real ones, y'all already know. Hoes gonna be hoes, yeah. I'm rocking with my bros. Rapping